Hi everyone, it's Bob Boross and this is my jazz and tap dance life. Welcome back. I had posted something a little over a month ago about how I was about to go under for a total knee replacement on my left knee. And then unfortunately family things just got in the way. I had to actually postpone it, take care of a lot of family things. So now it's back on the schedule, and it's actually, I'm doing this on Sunday, June 13th, and the operation is tomorrow. So on Monday, June 14th, I'll be getting a total knee replacement on my left knee. I've been dancing for 45 years, pretty seriously. And it's just something that happens. The knee actually just wears out. So as they say, I've got that bone-on-bone thing going. So walking is okay, I can manage, but any type of jumping, teaching tap dancing, not a good idea. So I'm going in tomorrow and we'll be having this done. Unfortunately, I'm sure that's going to go well, but then I have to have the other knee done because that's just about as bad, and that will probably be sometime in September. So I'm looking at a 9 to 12 month period of recuperation, trying to get my knees back to where they used to be, and hopefully back to teaching and doing some full-time work in jazz and tap dance. So that's kind of what we're looking at. I will be documenting this process, so as I go through it, probably at least once or twice a week, I'll be putting up videos with how I'm doing, how things are working out, any setbacks I'm seeing, any progress I'm seeing. I can say that as I was researching this topic on the internet, particularly with dancers having knee replacements, I found very, very little information. There was just nothing there. I did find a couple of dancers who did have knee replacements, and I personally heard back from them, but there's nothing really posted about it. So maybe this will be valuable for people who are looking at this process in the future. So that's where it is. So good luck to me. I hope this is going to go very well tomorrow and get me back on the road, okay? In the meantime, I do want to acknowledge my new subscribers. Even though because of my knee, I haven't been doing much on the channel, pretty much like in the last 8 or 9 months. The subscriber base continues to grow. And I'm looking at the figures right now. I just checked 5,245 subscribers, and then 113 new subscribers in the last 28 days or in the last month. So that's just phenomenal. So I thank you all for your interest in what I've been doing, posting videos on jazz dance technique and my technique, and also technique of mathematics, in terms of choreography, in terms of history, in terms of classroom work, all those things that are on my channel. So in the meantime, while I'm trying to get myself back together again, please explore all of the aspects of the channel. I would like to point you towards my choreography. I have a lot of different styles in choreography and jazz dance, and I don't know if anybody really gets into that. People seem to be watching the instructional things, the class work, and the Maddox technique, and also my personal warm-up and my tap dance warm-up. That gets a lot of views too. And also things on some of the greats in jazz dance, whether it's Matt Maddox, Luigi, Gus Giordano, people like that. So there's a lot of interest in those videos too. But take a look at my choreography videos, and if I can, maybe I'll try to throw a link up so you'll be able to go directly to that. There's a lot of excellent choreography in many different styles, and I'm pretty proud of it, everything I've done over the years. So please take a look at that, okay? So that's my update for today. I hope to get back in a couple days and show you where I'm at with this brand new knee already installed, okay? So thanks so much for subscribing. Check out my channel, and I'll be back soon with more information on what's going on with that knee, okay? Thanks a lot.